Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you all guys will be fine. So, without wasting the time, let's start the delicious recipe. This recipe is too much interesting, so don't miss any step and watch it till end. Add some cooking oil in pan. Now add onion and few tomatoes in the pan. Now mix it well. Now fry it well. Now pour it in blender and make a paste. Now take some garlic and add salt. Then crush it. Make a paste and add it in cooking oil. Now fry it well. Add black cardamom, cloves, zero. Now add chicken for making it more delicious. Now fry until golden brown at low to medium flame. Now add potatoes. Add universal masala. Now fry it. Add tomato and onion paste. Add basic spices. If you are enjoying, so subscribe my channel and support me. Add 2 tablespoons black pepper. Also add salt. 1 bowl yogurt. Green chili. Cook it for 5 minutes. Coriander leaves. Ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.